Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. How you doing? I'm Jacob.
Thank you. Ongoing issue.
Okay.
In this house, the line, the main thing, I guess I don't have a cleaner.
Okay.
That line is clear out to the street. Get a second opinion. And I was like, oh, not a lot of water. It seems like sometimes it's okay. And the toilet, like worse than ever before. Roots. We don't use wipes here. So, well, there was, he got a few of them out.
What would be the solution for
Are you sure the lines are not okay?
Wait, man. Okay, some channel locks. Ooh, it's warm in this motherfucker. I got it open right now. I'm gonna video on YouTube. Thank you. Appreciate it. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah,
And
nice meeting
do
you.
you